Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam. Here I share my English journey to encourage you to speak more no matter what. I'm not an English expert, I'm only an English enthusiast and learner just like you. One day someone said to me, if you believe your English is good, you're right. If you believe your English is bad, you're right too. That made me reflect about the power of our thoughts and our beliefs about ourselves and about our English. When I started to learn English, I had no experience with this language, no background. I've never lived abroad. I've never had English classes when I was young. And I really needed to start from scratch. My husband, who was already a native speaker, was super willing to help me, and in fact, he helped me a lot, but I needed to do my part anyway. I needed to face myself, speaking in public, sometimes feeling like a child because I was not able to express my thoughts and my feelings, feeling that I would never be able to be myself as I am in my native language. So these things are part of the process of learning a new language. And to be honest, I still think and I still feel insecure sometimes. I still feel that I need to improve my English, that it's not good enough, and I need to deal with that feelings in the best way I can so I can make my process of learning English more positive and good. So recently, I read a book called Truthful Living. That's a hard word for me, but it's a very good book. And a quote caught my attention. It says, before you can write effectively, you must believe that you can do it. So this chapter was talking about the ability to write and why this is so important for our lives. And I highlighted this sentence because I was thinking about English, about learning a new language. And I wrote to myself, before you can speak effectively, you must believe that you can do it. And I really believe that before we can do something, we need to create that situation in our mind. So we really need to watch our thoughts and the way we talk with ourselves while we are learning English. Because that inner voice, it's creating our reality, it's creating our experiences. So every time you believe that you won't be able to speak, that you won't be able to get a job in English, that you won't be able to record a video in English, you will end up experience that situation that you created before in your mind. So my invitation to you today is to think better about your English, to imagine it, and to create a reality where you will be able to express who you are, to express your ideas, and to communicate in English, to speak more no matter what. And that's my challenge for you today. Watch your thoughts and the way you think about yourself and about your English. And ask yourself if you really believe that you can improve your English. Because if you really believe that you can do that, you will definitely improve your English and you will definitely achieve the level of fluency that you wish.